Alright, so this is going to be a Costco item review of this HTY pineapple shortcake, right? No preservatives, soy-free. This wasn't on sale, but it was something I just want to see if Costco's version is good. This is $10.49. There are 20 individually wrapped pieces, okay? And it's made in Taiwan, right? Vegetarian. So if you can't eat meat, then you should be okay. I don't think it's vegan though, but alright, same thing, HTY. There's Best Buy, July 25th, 2024. This was purchased on November 8th, 2023. So, what's that? 8 months? A little over 8 months. Okay, so pineapple shortcake is an iconic Taiwanese treat that is a buttery, soft shortcake-like pastry filled with a deliciously sweetened pineapple jam. HTY pineapple shortcakes are the perfect snack made with no preservatives and no artificial flavors. For over 50 years, HTY has produced the best snacks in Taiwan. HTYUSA.com, there's their Instagram and Facebook, and their company's actually, this one's in San Francisco. There's some tiny writing here about cancer stuff in California. Alright, that's on pretty much everything in California, I think. Anyways, here are the nutrition facts. 20 servings per container. Serving size, 1 piece, 25 grams. Calories, 110 grams. Sorry, 110 calories per piece. Total fat, 4 grams, 5%. Saturated fat, 2.5 grams, 13%. 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 3%. 50 milligrams of sodium, 2%. 16 grams of carbs, 6%. 1 gram fiber, 2%. 7 grams sugar, which includes 6 grams of added sugars, 12%. 1 gram of protein, and there's a little bit of different vitamins and minerals, but not 1% of anything. 10 milligrams calcium, 0.17 milligrams iron, and 20 milligrams potassium. Ingredients are pineapple paste, which is maltose, grated radish, sugar, winter melon, pineapple, sweet potatoes, butter, sustainable palm oil, salt, natural pineapple flavoring, and citric acid. Then there's wheat flour, butter, sugar, egg, milk, powder, and salt. This contains wheat, egg, and milk, so if you're allergic to those, then be careful. Alright, this is made in Taiwan and store at room temperature. Okay, so first thing, we gotta pull this thing off. You can either just cut it with a knife or something, or you can try and slide it off carefully, okay, like this. Alright, there we go, and now we can lift this off, and it's actually plastic shrink wrapped all together, so you do have to cut this open, and we'll just pull one of them out. Alright, these aren't wrapped, packaged for individual retail sale, so you can't resell, you can't put these as a in your point of sale system, right? But it does have the expiration. Let's go ahead and open this and see. All right, wow, this packaging is, usually you can tear it along these triangular serrations here, but okay, there we go. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's very crumbly, so be careful. This one so far seems like it might be more solid than what I'm used to, but let's give it a try, okay? Looks like that. Let's bite it. Pretty good. I really like these. You can actually find these in a lot of Asian stores of different flavors. This one does have like a very thick shortcake layer. Some of them have a thinner layer with more filling. I prefer the ones with more filling and that are softer. But this is actually really tasty. So not really much else to say about it. It's sweet, but not crazy sweet. The texture, the cookie is very crumbly. And then you have like some texture, kind of like candied orange peel texture. Or dried pineapple. Alright, not really much else to say about it. It's pretty good. But also messy. Yeah. Anyways, give these a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, there's one other thing. I want to peel this off and see what's under the tray. Not that most people will care because you're just going to eat the stuff. But I'm curious. Does this come out? Oh, it does. And it's just cardboard. Alright, that's it. I'm very tempted to eat more of these, like multiple of them in a single sitting. But yeah, I shouldn't because I got a lot of other stuff to review. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.